What's going on, guys? It's Jordan Miller from BreatheHeavy, and it's good to see you. I know it's been a while, and I shouldn't have kept you waiting, but I'm here now. In this video, I'm going to talk about Britney's June 23rd court appearance. She's scheduled to speak virtually to the court, and I've been getting a ton of questions about it, and I wanted to share my thoughts. But before I dive in, let's play that intro. Britney very rarely, if ever, directly addresses the conservatorship or the Free Britney movement, but she'll have her chance June 23rd. On the 23rd, which is a couple days from when I'm recording this video, Britney will virtually appear to address the court. Why this is a big deal is because Britney is rarely on the record to say anything regarding the conservatorship or anything really one way or the other. A big recurring theme is this lack of transparency and whether she's being silenced or not. So everyone is very eager to hear what she has to say. Now, obviously, I have no real insight into knowing what she's going to say because I don't know her or talk to her, but I do have some predictions. I'm curious to see if this video will age well. I also want to offer my unsolicited 2 cents regarding where we go from here. My prediction, which I'm sure is an unpopular opinion, is that she's going to tell the court and the judge that she wants her father, Britney Spears, out of the picture entirely, and is completely fine with her current co-conservator, a woman named Jody Montgomery. Now, what this could mean is that Britney's just simply unhappy with her father having any sort of involvement in her life, but has resided, or is at least okay with the conservatorship right now. Now, the reason why I say that this is an unpopular opinion is because the conservatorship in general is deemed as a detriment to Britney's life. It does strip her legally of some basic civil liberties, and fans, including myself, feel that that's unjust. Now, if Britney does say that she wants her father out of the picture, but is okay with everything else and just keep the status quo regarding her conservatorship minus her father, then one of the purposes of this video is to put out there that I'd like to remind everybody that this is Britney's decision. And that's important to remind people of because one of the things that we want for Britney is to be able to choose her own path. And it's okay to disagree with her decision, but any sort of wave of negativity, I'd personally like to stop ahead of its tracks. Now, I'm not trying to police anyone's emotions. You're allowed to feel however you want to feel about it, but so is Britney. Now, my own personal opinion is that the conservatorship or conservatorships, both personal and financial, should be dissolved entirely because I feel like it opens the door for other villainous characters down the road to step in and take advantage. Basically, my point of view, which has always been my point of view for these last 13 years, is that a conservatorship is a tool for people who are completely incapacitated. And Britney's obviously not incapacitated. However, I do understand she's in a very unique circumstance, being extremely famous and having lots of money. However, I still feel like the situation has been abused beyond belief, and it's time for change. Now, who knows? Britney could go to the court and say, I want this situation completely resolved. I don't want to be in any conservatorships, which legally she has that right to say and has been seemingly, allegedly denied that right for many, many years. But really, we just don't know what's going to happen. And even come June 23rd, I still have a feeling that things are going to be very much still up in the air and still very mysterious. I'd love to be proven wrong, but I guess we'll have to wait and see. One more thing I'd like to address is this little bit of a paradox that I'm currently in regarding the Free Britney movement. It's my opinion that I think Britney wants more privacy and less attention on the conservatorship and her situation. And it certainly doesn't do her any favors by someone like me creating videos, calling attention to it, and having an entire website where a huge portion of it is news about the conservatorship and the Free Britney movement. So in that sense, I do feel pretty uncomfortable. At the same time, I do feel like this is an unjust situation and saying nothing is worse. So really, this is the lesser of two evils. Just wanted you to know I'm trying to be as self-aware and kind and responsible about this situation as possible. All right, that does it for this video. Looking forward to hearing from you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Outro.